Hello, everyone. On today's IRS Tax Refund update, as we close out the first week of the 2023 tax season, there's still upwards to 1 million who are still waiting on their 2022 tax refunds. So we'll check in on that as well as the next refund release dates for those still impacted. Meanwhile, as more taxpayers prepare to file their taxes over the next several weeks and months, we're going to take a look at some key signs which it could indicate you may experience refund delays this year and free tax filing options available for those who want to avoid paying fees in order to file their taxes this year. Now, starting off with those still waiting on their 2022 tax refunds. As of this recording, the IRS has stopped reporting on the tax return backlog, and it's been nearly 3 weeks since they released any update on the situation. Now, based off the latest numbers released, along with recent processing trends and viewer feedback, we're estimating the remaining unprocessed returns to be under 1 million, with the majority of those actually being e file returns, with paper returns within the 100,000 range. For those viewers still waiting on their amended returns to be processed and refunds to be cleared, we're estimating those remaining to be in the 200,000 range, as amended returns have been processed at a much slower rate than individual tax returns, and we're not estimating full completion until February or March as of this point. For those waiting on paper refund checks, the next batch is scheduled to be mailed out on January 27th, with the next batch of direct deposit refunds going out on January 30th. Now, turning to the current tax season, though it is early, we have no initial technical problems to report since the IRS began accepting tax returns. There were some questions from viewers who filed before January 24th asking why their tax transcripts show no record of return filed, and that is because transcripts are updated once a week, and the filing period just begun this past Monday. Updates depend on the last 2 digits of your transcript cycle code, so it is advised to check back on Friday mornings in particular for transcript updates. Now, as many of you will be checking the refund status tracker on the IRS website once you file, you're going to encounter one of two of the following messages. The normal message you should be seeing is listed with tax topic code 152, which is a regular tax processing code indicating your return has been received by the IRS and is undergoing processing. The second code and first indicator of a potential issue with your return is encountering tax topic code 151 as seen here when checking the status of your refund. While seeing tax topic code 151 indicates an additional review is needed on your tax return, it does not mean your return will be undergoing an audit. In a number of cases, it is an error that the IRS will automatically correct, which may result in an adjusted refund as a result. So it will be important to access your tax transcripts for more specific codes. Now, an indicator of potential tax refund issues when it comes to your tax transcripts is seeing transcript code 570 and 971 as seen here. Code 570 indicates the tax return is under further review due to a variety of reasons, but will not specifically state which reason, while Code 971 indicates the IRS has mailed you out a letter in regards to this, and that letter will specify the exact reason behind the issue. Now, as we get more into the tax season, we'll list other problem codes you may encounter along the way. Turning to this tax season as millions prepare to file their taxes, there are those, especially after extended delays last year, looking to change the way they file, including going from paper filing to e file returns in 2023. Now, despite roughly 70% of taxpayers being eligible to file their taxes for free, only a small percentage actually do, instead, paying to file their taxes using one of the major online tax preparation platforms or in person. Now, if you're filing a simple tax return, have an adjusted gross income of less than $73,000 in 2022, you should be part of the 70% that qualifies for free filing. However, it is important to use legitimate online sites and to access a list of free online tax preparers. You will want to visit irs.gov/free file or the IRS To Go app. It should be noted these tax preparers listed on the IRS website are not actually affiliated with the IRS. The tax preparers listed on the website who offer free filings may differ on their definition of a simple tax return, but generally it is someone who has income from one job and is not itemizing their tax returns. Most of the platforms will offer free filings of the 1040 forms and may assist in helping you claim the child tax and earned income tax credits. Also, some of these platforms will offer to file your state income taxes for free if you live in a state with income tax. Now, do note these platforms have different income limits to qualify, so do watch for that, and those who assist with certain tax credits. Also, some online tax preparers may only offer free filing with a certain time frame, so do keep that in mind. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax refund issue or how and when you plan to file your taxes this year. In the meantime, we'll keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.